Find positions or movements that allow you to feel most comfortable as you take this time to engage in your deep breathing. Loosen your forehead and jaw and relax your shoulders. Check in with your body. Wherever you're holding tension, you soften and release it. Finding your most relaxed and comfortable part of your body, you allow that sensation to expand throughout your entire body. Tune in to your current breath, how it feels as you breathe in and out, and how your chest rises and falls with each breath. Try to lengthen your breath with each inhale, allowing your air to reach deeper and deeper into your chest and down to your baby. Breathing in through your nose, and then slowly and purposefully out of your mouth. Your breath is your own, so follow your body's lead. Breathe in as long as you can, and exhale as long as you can. Notice how deep your breaths can be, with your exhale just a little bit longer than your inhale. Let your breath feel natural, relaxed, and even. Just as before, tune into your breath again. It's deeper now than it was before, maybe making your chest and belly fill up more than it did. Every breath makes you more and more in control of your relaxation. As you breathe out, your body and mind sink into deeper comfort. For the next 5 minutes, let your breath continue like this, evenly and effortlessly. If your thoughts begin to wander, acknowledge them and then place them in a box in your brain that you will open later. Then reconnect with your breath by breathing in deeply through your nose and breathing out of your mouth with a quiet but audible sigh, and bringing your mind and body back to being present and totally relaxed. You are relaxed and completely at ease, tuned into your body through connecting with your breath.